Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about how to identify a trend. First of all, we have to start with some terminology. So what is a bull market? A bull market, very simplified, is an uptrending market. Bullish is considered to be favorable to the upside. A bear market is a downtrending market and the opposite of a bull market. Bearish is the opposite of bullish and is considered to be favorable to the downside. So how do we know if we are in a bear or bull market? For example, is Bitcoin in a bear or bull trend? Well, it heavily depends on the time frame we are looking at. For the year 2022, Bitcoin is in a clear bear market, since we reached the all-time high in November 2021. We know that because Bitcoin is continuously decreasing in price and forming lower highs and lower lows. Contrary to that, for the long-term trend, Bitcoin is in a strong bull trend. As of right now, we are trending at the 2018 high. To identify the trend, we can look at the higher highs, as they are an indicator for the continuation of a bull market. Contrary to that, lower highs are an indicator for the reversal of a bull market towards a bear cycle. Lower lows are an indicator for the continuation of a bear market. Higher lows are an indicator for the reversal of a bear market towards a bull cycle.